Jackie Mazzocato here, and this is my Thursday cook-up.
It's one of my absolute favourite times of year, summertime and Christmas time. Today we're going to do coconut crusted prawns. What I really love about these is you get this crisp, nutty flavour, and then in the base flour I'm going to talk to you about some of the other flavours I've got in there. So let's have a look at what I've got here. Interesting way to crumb. One of the things I love about this particular recipe is instead of like the full eggs, you actually use egg whites and you fluff them up. So what I've done here is just for my base, because there's not a lot of flavour in the panko and coconut crumb, I wanted to make sure that I actually had some flavours in my base flour. So I've added to a cup of flour 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, some salt, and also some ground pepper in there as well. I'm going to add some lemon rind. And in with the lemon rind, the panko, so I've got 100 grams of panko and 100 grams of shredded coconut there. Some of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rosemary. Oh, you should smell, all I can smell right now is the lemon rind and this, the rosemary. So as I said, we're going to just lightly whisk up all of these egg whites, and that's going to give us a beautiful, beautiful fluffy crumb on our prawns. So I've just turned the oil on. You don't want to pre-prepare these too early because you literally almost want to just coat them and then throw them in the oil ready to go. So whilst my oil's heating up, let's coat these prawns. Okay, so all we're going to do is lightly coat the prawns in some of that beautiful flour that we've seasoned, a little bit of egg white, and then some of those beautiful crumbs. So there's. Traditionally, I would use green prawns for this. The reason I haven't is I couldn't get any today, so we're just using normal prawns with the tail on, shelled and deveined. Whilst we've been waiting for the oil to heat, I've crumbed all of these prawns, and let's stick those in. You're going to know the oil's ready. You put a wooden spoon in and little bubbles come up off the wooden spoon. So let's stick some of these beautiful, beautiful prawns in that sizzling hot oil. Now be very careful here. I use a cast iron pan when I'm frying because it retains the heat and I can manage the heat at a set level, but you don't want it to get too hot or, you know, you might get a bit dangerous there. So they're sizzling away beautifully. I can put around sort of 10 or so in a batch. I don't want to put too many in a batch because you don't want them to overcrowd either or stick together. So we've got our first beautiful little prawn ready to come out. Just pop him on some paper towel. I'm going to put some lemon across the top of these beautiful prawns and oh, that's so good. That beautiful crunch. I don't know if you even heard it when I took a bite. That beautiful crunch. Just a hint of chili, but I can taste that lemon rind and the rosemary coming through there. Oh, very happy with those. I'm very happy with that. Bon appetito.